How to get streaks on TikTok. Let's get started. First up, update your TikTok app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store, then search for the app TikTok. After app appears, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of its update process, launch it. TikTok has introduced an exciting new feature, Streaks, similar to Snapchat Streaks. TikTok Streaks allow you to maintain an ongoing interaction with friends by sending videos back and forth daily. This feature encourages more frequent interactions and rewards consistency. To enable this feature, click on the option of Profile. Once you're on the profile page, click on three bars given at the top right corner. Navigate to the option of Settings and Privacy. Now over here you're gonna find different section. Under content and display, you'll find the option of notifications. Click on that option. Now here you'll find the option of streaks. Enable for this option. Now you'll get access to streaks on TikTok. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.